All right, question number 6. We're going to use the following data that represents the weight in grams of 13 medicinal tablets. We're going to find the 5-number summary. We're going to construct a box plot and then comment on the shape. So we're going to do this using StatCrunch. Do that, it pulls up the data. You click graph, come down to box plot. Since there's only one variable here, we're going to do one variable. So you got to click the one that you want, and then we'll do draw horizontally. And all of these directions again are in the textbook at the end of the section. I think we're going to do horizontal lines, and then we want to compute, or use the same x-axis, I think, and then compute. So we get a bar graph of our data, and then we will hover and it will tell us each of the values. We can see, I wish I could kind of point with the mouse, but you can see the number of values, which is 13, the IQR interquartile range, lower limit, Q1, median, Q3, and upper limit. So we're just going to put those in the box. It tells us to round to 3 decimal places this time, so we're going to round to 3 decimal places. So we got 599 and 605, 0.599, and then 0.605. Then get to the next box, 0.605. Okay. And then I'll pull that up again. Median 0.609, and then 0.61, and then 612. 609, 61, 612. So that'll give us our 5-number summary. Which one is the correct box plot? So again, we can look at the shape that we had. I'll move this up a little bit. We can kind of compare. So we got a longer tail on the left, a shorter tail on the right. That tells me that this is skewed to the left. A looks to match, and you can kind of look at the numbers and the positioning. And yes, A looks to be the best. And then choose the correct description or shape. So we would say that this one is skewed to the left because of the extended long tail on the left.